My name is Jim Slagle. I am a commercial senior service tech for Barron Heating. Barron Heating has been taking care of me for, this will be my 25th year. HVAC kind of chose me. I've always been handy, I can fix things. I guess when I was a sophomore in high school, I started looking at career paths vocationally and had family that was in the HVAC business, and I liked the description of what being in the service world would do. I started 6 months out of high school, went directly into a trade school, sent interviews out all over Western Washington, and my aunt lives up here also. I asked her who's the best company in Whatcom County to work for. She said 25 years ago, she said Barron Heating. So that's where I applied, and that's where I have been. There was 4 service techs back then, now there's a whole bunch. It's been a lot of fun. It's been us going from really small to where we're at now, just evolving and evolving and evolving, and more training and more schooling and seeing all the new technology that comes out. Every single year, everything's changing. The entire company's constantly staying relevant. But I think one thing that's always stayed the same is it's always felt like a family-oriented place. It's just, and everything's kind of stayed consistent with training, staying ahead of the game, keeping the best vehicles, just trying to keep a good, respectable company. There's not enough students right now graduating out of technical colleges for this. It's actually in decline. There's a demand for these technicians that nobody can supply you. So how do you work through that? You should start your own school. We have our own training school now. Barron Heating has their own technical school, which other people don't have. And you have the best people training them that have had years and years of experience. Set up as one of the best schools I think you can personally go to. You have to be self-motivated. You have to keep going, and the best qualities are definitely going to be personable, have a smile on your face, be willing to learn, just be open to new ideas. It's a constant learning practice. Come in and get our walkthrough at Barron, because it is the best place. You can look around and see if the grass is greener on the other side, but I guarantee you it's not. I mean, it is absolutely the place to be. You see Barron and this is the place that you need to work at, if you can. I mean, if you're given the opportunity, I would not refuse it. I wouldn't want to work anywhere else. Other technicians look up to us, I think, and it's a very, very humbling thing too, to know that you're a Barron Heating technician.